In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop video in Behance. By the end, you'll have a clean, seamless loop that starts playing automatically on your Behance project. All powered by a Vimeo embed. First, upload your video to Vimeo. Vimeo gives you reliable control over playback behavior on third-party platforms like Behance, which is why it's the go-to choice for looping. Once your video is uploaded and processed, open it on Vimeo so you can access the sharing tools. Next, configure the embed settings. Look for the Share or Embed button on your Vimeo video. It's often shown as a little paper plane icon. Click that to open the sharing panel, then head into the embed configuration area. Here is the key part. Make sure both autoplay and loop are enabled. Autoplay tells the video to start playing the instant the page loads, and loop ensures it immediately restarts when it reaches the end, creating that smooth, continuous effect you are after. If your clip includes sound, consider exporting a version without audio before uploading, or using a version you've muted. Many browsers block autoplay when audio is present, so a silent video helps ensure it will start automatically for everyone who visits your project. When those settings look right, copy the embed code that Vimeo generates. This is an iframe snippet and it contains all the instructions Behance needs to display your video with the autoplay and loop behavior intact. Be sure you copy the entire code so nothing important gets left behind. Now switch over to Behance and open your project editor. In the editor, choose the Embed Media option. A field will appear where you can paste the code you just copied from Vimeo. Paste the iframe into that field, then save your changes. Behance will load the embed and display your video inside the project. Give it a moment to initialize, then preview the project to confirm the video starts on its own and loops continuously without any gaps. That's it. Thanks for watching.